What's going on, family? We're the Grease Mike here. So in front of me, we got the 52 SEMA truck. So as you can see, it's in bare metal. So Miguel done knocked all the paint, rust, everything off of it. It's pretty well ready to go to paint. Well, it's ready to be set on the chassis, and the front end still has to be mocked up. And then it's gonna be ready for primer and paint. So before we do that, I got the seat in. I got to measure for my seat brackets to see how high the seat got to come up. This whole little dash piece right here is finna get cut out and make room for the Holley Pro Dash that we got for it. Shout out to Holley. The floor has also been smoothed out. All the little rust holes and everything in the floor has been smoothed out. And then this little section right here wasn't rusty, but it wasn't flat. So we cut it out, made it flat, made it easier to mount seats and a console in when that time comes. But yeah, you can still see the black pieces of metal that we got courtesy of Auto Metal Direct. Shout out Eddie and Jason from Auto Metal Direct. Cab corners at the bottom. All this rust right here done got sanded off. All the little patch panels and everything. And then, like I said, this is gonna get fully welded in once we actually get the front clip on and get everything mocked up right. We done got the doors on, got them mocked up. So now it's just the front clip, and then it's gonna be ready for paint. All right, so now let's move on to the 74. All right, so now we back down on the other side of the shop with the 74, right? Just picked up the drive shaft today. It's just painted black so it don't rust, but it's not gonna stay that color. All right, so we got the body on the chassis, got the wheels mocked up. We got all this, the motor mount, well, the body mounts and everything installed. So I'm about to install the drive shaft in here and make sure that this little hole right here is big enough. But I went up on the drive shaft side, so I might have to cleanse this a little bit more. So that's why I didn't weld it until I actually got the drive shaft back. But yeah, then we got another set of headers made. They're coming from Ultimate Headers. We got them ordered because these do not fit. So we went ahead, went with the correct headers from Ultimate that's made for this motor in this chassis, and they're guaranteed to fit. So shout out to them. Like I said, this is just a mock-up motor. This is actually the LT1 that's going in my 52 instead of the LT4 that's going on here. So we're waiting on some engine parts from BTR. Shout out BTR for all of our engine necessities. And yeah, that's really what we got going on right now. So now we're in the mock-up stages for Miguel to finish up on the body work on this side over here. And once we get everything lined up with this new bed side, once we get all that lined up, the bed will come back off, this will get fully welded in, and it'll be ready to spray. So it's a lot, but we're making pretty good progress. We're a lot further along than we were last year, but it's still a lot, especially this year doing 2 trucks. But we're gonna make it work, because all of this still has to get fully welded in and then cut, shaved, smoothed out, primered, and painted. So yeah, as of right now, that's really where we stand as far as a really good update for you guys on what we got going on right now. Y'all gonna see some more videos, some more install videos, shouting out other brands that have partnered with us on these builds. So yeah, like, oh, another set. So I got the steering column, it's literally just placed in where I needed it to be. Shout out to I Did It Columns. They partnered with us with this, well, with both builds, but this one I went ahead, set the steering column where it was gonna be so I can mock up the rest of the steering shaft to where it connects to the rack and pinion. So I just needed to get it kind of mocked up so I knew what to order. So for right now, that's really all that we got going on. So appreciate you guys watching, following the builds, like, share, subscribe, share it to, you know, anybody that you know or might know that want to check out and follow along with some real 5 builds. Shout us out. But hey, we appreciate y'all. Y'all continue to watch.